Hey guys, so I'm going to try out a new recipe for supper tonight. I don't have everything that I've seen on the recipe, but I'm going to improvise. So I got some pork loin chops that I'm going to put in here. And then, okay, we'll start with that. I'm going to put them in there first. Okay, the pork chops are out. I've seen some people, I put them in here and then I decided I was going to try something different instead. So some people put like a base of potatoes. I'm going to put a base of these Asian style vegetables in there as my base. It's thunder and lightning out right now, so if you can hear that, that's what that is. And then I'm going to put the pork chops right on top. Okay, so that's that. Alright. Okay, and then I'm going to put cream of mushroom, or that you can use cream of mushroom. I got cream of chicken, so I'm going to put that on top. Just bear with me. Okay, Mike's going to open the can of soup. While he does that, I'm going to sprinkle on some pink Himalayan salt. Just a bit. And some pepper. Not too much because Mike's not a big pepper fan. I love pepper, but Mike's not a big pepper fan. Just a little bit of seasoning. And Mike's getting the sauce. Oh, I'm going to preheat the oven in a minute because there's pots in there. I got to hold on a second. Alright, so I'm going to preheat to 350. So there you go. That's going to do that. Put on the light in there. And Mike got the cream of, I keep saying cream of mushroom, but it's cream of chicken.
I want to do it because that's there.
Okay, so just what you're going to do is start plopping it out on top of the pork chops first. Usually people just spoon it out, Mike, but okay, do it that way. Get a good covering on them, and then what's left just spread out over the vegetables. Just drizzle on the vegetables. Yep, perfect. This would taste really good with cream of mushroom, but Mike's not fussy with mushrooms, and I'm not crazy with mushrooms either, so I'm doing it with cream of chicken. It'll still, I've seen people use cream of chicken. I've seen people use chicken broth to mix this up too, but I'm just mixing it up like normal. Alright. Okay. I mixed up the stovetop in the bowl and then I put it on top. It doesn't necessarily have to go on all of the... You can use the spoon to kind of spread it out over the pork chops, Mike. Pat it. Here, I'll do it.
Go.
Okay, over here, look, there's a piece. That's it. Perfect. And over right there. That was me. I put it on. It doesn't necessarily have to go over the veggies. That's just like part of the side dish. So now we just got to wait. Oh, Mike, we have to cover this with tin foil too.
Okay.
So we're going to cover it with tin foil. Once the oven heats up to the right temperature, we're going to cook it for 30 minutes. Then we're going to uncover it, put the oven to broil on high, and cook it for an extra 10 minutes to brown up the stovetop. So I'll check in with you guys when it's done. Alright guys, so this is what it's looking like when it came out of the oven. It's a little burnt because we had a makeup mishap that we had to clean up. So that's not a big deal. That's not a big deal. We'll still eat that. I'm not going to be able to eat this in one serving. It's a lot. But this is one pork chop with the stuff. So it might be cut in two. I might end up having half this tomorrow. But this is what it looked like. Like I said, this is a little bit toasty. When you're putting it on broil, make sure you're handy to watch it, because it can go from being brown to burned really fast, as you see. It was probably in there an extra 5 minutes because we had a makeup mishap. I had highlight that spilled everywhere all over the bedroom. So let's cut into this and have a bite. Don't know if you guys just heard that or not. After all the rain and thunder and lightning, look what we got. A rainbow. Is it ever pretty? Is that pretty, Odie? Is that rainbow pretty? Pretty. I gotta go to my mom's and pick up my laundry. She did my laundry for me. I'm going to get your tail. Give me that tail. Daddy picking on you. What are you wiggling your back feet around for? Do you want to go for a drive? Be careful. You did that the other day and fell. You know what that bag is, don't you? You know what this bag is, don't you? Tigger! Scratching at my couch. What's this? What? What is it? Are you excited? Are you excited? Are you? Are you going to be nice? Yeah? Alright, okay, sit down. Sit. He loves his Timbits. Oh, you got it on the couch. You're supposed to keep it on the blanket. Alright, you got it all. Hey guys, so I got an order in from Temu yesterday. There's only 2 things I order for myself, and the rest of it is Christmas stuff, gifts. Well, not necessarily Christmas gifts, but gifts. So I got this set. It was $1 something, and well, obviously it's not real but it'll serve the purpose. So this is like more of a choker style necklace, but it does have the extension on it, so it's good for my thick neck, so that's good. And the bracelet, and it has an extension on it, so again, it's good for like any size wrist. So that's for Kristen's wedding, because the belt that's around my dress is pearl, and I have earrings that are pearl. And then I ordered this contraption. Now it's funny looking, but you put it over your head, and you wrap your hair around it and tie it with these ties down the bottom, and it's supposed to be heatless curls. The other thing that I got didn't work for me because it just didn't. You guys see me try to use that, and it was a fail. So if you guys want to see me try to use this one in a video, let me know down below and I'll demonstrate it, and we'll give it a try. So that is everything that I got. I'm just getting out of the shower, so I'm going to put some ghost oil in my hair. I love this stuff. And yeah, that's it. And then I'm going to have my breakfast / brunch, and then I'm going to go to work for the day. So I hope you guys are doing well. Hey guys, it is 6:30 on a Friday night. I worked day shift today. I asked my supervisor if I could work 9 to 5:30 because it's my vacation. Woo-woo. And actually, she let me go at 3 o'clock, so I even got to start my vacation a little bit earlier. It's a miserable, rainy day out there today, so not really doing much of anything. I have a doctor's appointment on Monday. I really want to do a real deep cleaning of this apartment while I'm on vacation. Like, Mike tries to do the best he can while I'm working because I just don't have time, but it's time to do a deep cleaning. I mean, take stuff from under the furniture, get the robot vac out, make him go under the furniture to clean under there. Instead of us lugging the furniture all over the place, it's great to have a robot vac to do that stuff. And I want to, like, dust everything. Pet hair accumulates, right? You can never stay on top of it because you clean it all up, and then literally the next day there's pet hair everywhere again, and dust and dander and all that stuff. So I want to do a real thorough deep cleaning, and I actually want to do decluttering. I want to go through, actually, my friend, Our Little Gingerbread House, I'll link her down below. You guys should really check her out, especially if you like cooking videos and like decor videos and all that kind of stuff, because she's fantastic at that kind of stuff. Like, just, I don't know. And I'm always watching her little haul. She finds like the best deals on the best stuff everywhere. Oh my god, like, she got our friend Jaclyn, because we're both friends with Jaclyn. I'll leave Jaclyn's channel down below. She got her a custom made, like, she got her more stuff as a little fall present, but she got her a custom made apron. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. I love it. I would love to have a fall apron, or even an apron. I don't even own an apron. I should own an apron. I'm going to have to go buy an apron, because I bake bread and stuff, right? So, and cookies and stuff at Christmas. So I should have at least one apron, I think. But yeah, I'm going to see if you guys can see this rain out here. It is totally spilling. Mike's gone for a walk with Odie. The two of them are going to be drenched. Let's see. You can probably hear it. Anyway, I'm on my vacation, so I want to do a thorough cleaning of this apartment. And this apartment's small, so probably only take a day to completely, if Mike and I do it together, it'll probably only take a day to do a thorough cleaning. Maybe not so much the decluttering part, but the cleaning part, definitely. So that's part of my plan for this week. So, yeah. I find that there's a smell in here, but I don't think it's coming from here. Like, it's not the cat litter or anything. People moved out downstairs, and I think there might be... Oh, maybe it's that garbage bag. I'm going to have to get him to take that out. It might be that. Something smells like sour milk, but there's no sour milk in here. Just being totally honest. It's not a pet smell. It's just something smells off in here. That's all. It's not like bad, but, you know. I want to show these two little gadgets that I ordered from my cousin on Temu. I'm not going to open them up, but I just wanted to show it to you guys. So I got her this little thing. It's for cleaning your windowsills. So it looks like, I know you probably can't see it that well, but it's for cleaning the windowsills. You know how like the I'll show you. And mine are probably dirty. I should probably buy one for myself. And then I bought her this. Jaclyn, you could probably use this. This is for cleaning blinds, mini blinds. And I know most trailers have them. That's what my cousin wanted it for. So it's all these little things. And you just swish it in between the blinds. So I ordered them for her. I'm going to have to drop them off to her. But I'll show you what I mean by... Don't mind my windows because it's an apartment and... But like all in these little grout lines, you can put that thing in, clean it all out. I should buy one of them and clean my windows. But anyway, I'm going to end this vlog here because I've been vlogging on and off all week. And so I'm going to end it here. And hopefully I can get some more vlogging done through this week. I'm not feeling very good right now. I'm not like bad, but my stomach is a little off. I'm feeling a little woozy because I took my Ozempic shot a couple of hours ago, and I usually get a little woozy letting my food digest. So, anyway, I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys are all doing well. Take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye, everyone.